Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to add a phone number on your Pinterest account. So if you want to add a phone number on your Pinterest account, you can do it by using this feature of Pinterest. First you need to open your Pinterest account, and here you need to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and now you will need to select the setting option. Under setting option you will see that there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the public profile option, and after this you need to scroll down and select the country code. Like in my case I had select USA, and after selecting the country code, let me show you. Like I had selected country code, and here you need to enter your mobile number. So after entering your mobile number, you need to click on the done button, and once you click on done, your profile will be updated. This is not the correct mobile number, so that's why it will not accepting. If you enter your mobile number, it will easily accept. And this is the way to change or enter the phone number on your Pinterest account. I hope this guide was helpful.